issues. My first question to her is that this ordinance was brought out in the month of June. It's been over 3 months. So if you bought this ordinance out to help the PMC people, what have you achieved in the last 3 months to help every depositor of the PMC bank? This is my pointed question, if you could be generous enough in answer. Point number 2 is the PMC bank, about what is the timeline? Thanks to this bill, will every depositor get his or her money back? I want a committed timeline. The whole idea of changing this is that every depositor gets the money. So with how many months does she commit officially on the floor of this house to this nation that every depositor of PMC bank will get their monies? 6,500 crores is the capital infusion required. So will it be a long-term interest-free loan? Because only 80% depositors have not got their monies. Only the small depositors have got their monies. So by when will and how are you going to infuse this 6,500 crores under this new ruling? And by when? Again, I want a timeline and we really need a date. Talking about properties, there was a proposal to sell the property so that these depositors get their money. But sir, you'll be surprised to know that the RBI went to court and stalled this decision. So what is the position of this government under this law for this? There is an administrator being put in. Now, RBI has suggested this administrator. Now, why was PMC treated like this? Because ILFS had a very young, dynamic person to turn it around. So why PMC is constantly treated differently by this government is something they really need to explain to all of us. Other last 2 points are that there is a merger or a resolution specialist on board. The proposal was given over 1 year ago. If this government is so committed to improving the lives of these depositors of PMC Bank, why are they not agreeing when the proposal was given 1 year ago for a resolution specialist on board? 60 people have died, 3 people have committed suicide, and 9 lakh families are affected because of this PMC. So what is the timeline? I reiterate and I repeat my question. By when will you get this resolved? And everything is moving to RBI. So does RBI have a magic wand or a pill? Because somehow for ILFS, ICICI, Nirav Modi, Mehul Choksi, commercial banks, they've all been under RBI, but I haven't seen financial discipline. So it's very unfair to just say cooperative banks. And if PMC, I repeat, because I'm happy to see our inflation blood, I want to repeat and ask PMC Bank, when will they get their money? Please, we'll be very kind of you if you give us a date and a timeline for PMC.
धन्यवाद अध्यक्ष महोदय। राहुल शेवाले। धन्यवाद अध्यक्ष महोदय। बैंकिंग विनिमय संशोधन विधेयक 2020 को जो 14 सितंबर 2020 को लोकसभा में पेश किया गया, वह बैंकिंग विनियमन अधिनियम 1949 में संशोधन करने के लिए अधिनियम बैंकों के कामकाज को नियंत्रित करता है और लाइसेंसिंग प्रबंधन जैसे विभिन्न पहलुओं पर विवरण प्रदान करता है। यह विधेयक 26 जून 2020 को घोषित बैंकिंग नियमन अध्यादेश 2020